Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well. No hacking, only education preparation. No hacking, only education preparation. Next command apt install git python 2. Next command git colon. Next command cd. Next command run python to check the. Here are some new tips to make you perfect in termux today, as seen by many Facebook censors for the old ID. But does not find it. Many people have posted in different group. Will anyone have an old Facebook account? Many get had, many give, and does not why many or does not want to give any others reason. Command username and command password. Login in. So here is a short tutorials for you. 7. Number 1 7-digit checker. Number 2 8-digit checker. Number 3 9-digit checker. Number 4 10-digit checker. Number 5 11-digit checker. Number 6 more tools. Number 7 find me one. Number 00x select an option. Number 1. Number 01. How do you manually create old Facebook account? Number 1 Afghan wireless. Number 2 Afghan wireless mirror. Number 3 ration state salam Afghan telecom MAT start. Number 1. Number 01 totals member 50,000 process in starting. How do you manually create old Facebook account? First, termux. Read more. What is termux? So let's start without further ado. First, you need to download termux app from Play Store. On install it, install the basic command on your termux. For those new to termux, skip the rest of the basic command. happy enjoy termux old id command facebook account YouTube channel Russell technology update YouTube channel subscribe please like comment and share happy enjoy no hacking no following only education preparation username user number +93070446920 password 4446920 checkpoint checking হচ্ছে wait and see for 10 minute 5 minute 20 minute 30 minute on ঘন্টা on hours happy enjoy Afghanistan Facebook ID clone description box command and all people member command YouTube channel happy enjoy assalamu alaikum thank you very much